Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. From the title of this video, you could already probably tell I've picked up a new bike computer. I'm super excited, so I decided to do just a quick short video unboxing and an install on my bike. Of course, I picked up the Coros Dura. Apparently it has some of the best battery life from all the bike computers, so that got me quite excited. I know that there were some software bugs and people weren't too happy about it when I checked out some of the other reviews, but I believe that there were some software updates early this year, which definitely made me consider this device, and I think there's been a major improvement. So that's why I picked it up. Reasonable price, great battery life. It looks quite good in my opinion. So yeah, let's check out what's in the box and then we'll get to installing it on my bike. All right, so let's get into this box. So it's got a couple of tabs here to pull. It's quite a nice box. Feels quite sturdy. Hard shell, so that's nice. It's got a little tab here so you can open it. And nice, so we're presented with the device right here at the top. Well, definitely looks quite a bit bigger in hand compared to what I was expecting to see from the other videos. So this is the back. As you can see, this is the front, the most satisfying bit. Get that out of the way real quick, putting this to the side. So as you can see, I'll try to get the light on it as best as possible, so capture it on camera. So the actual display is just this lighter square here, and then we've got the Dura, and this is actually a solar panel. So this is a solar bike computer, so it's rechargeable, and the screen is here. As you can see from the profile, it's quite aero as well. So we've got the Coros here on the side, up here at the top, quite aero. So this is the front of it. This is going to be hitting the air first. We've got the standard mount. Apparently there were some issues with the earlier models of these mounts not fitting well, but I believe there was an update as well. And down here at the bottom we have the charging port. I actually don't know if it's USB, yeah, it's USB Type-C, which is nice. That's funny, I didn't know before buying it what type of charger I used, but yeah, feels quite good, feels quite premium build. Of course, it's all plastic construction and the entire thing, but that's nice. Let's see if we can power it on. I'm not sure, so this is actually the power. Yes. So as you can see, it takes a second. Choose English. So let's check out what else comes in the box. So if we lift it up here. So this is just cardboard. So we've got the mount for the bike. So we can get it taken out. Nice, also aero mount. Mounts like this. It's cool. So it's got a couple of different adapters here for your handlebars. So they're more like, yeah, they are rubber, like gaskets. So in case you have like different diameter, yeah, bars, then you can use one of these adapters. Let's see what else we have. I think this is the charger. Let's open it up. Yeah. So we've got the charger, USB-C to USB-C. Can actually take it out. I'll need it shortly, so might as well take it out. Take it out completely. Quite a long charger. You can see, I'm not sure how long, but definitely longer than my phone charger. I guess you can just place it somewhere else. Let's see. Oh, nice. So it comes with thing you can attach to it so you don't lose it. You can wrap it around your hand or something, or your handlebar, so it doesn't, yeah, so you don't lose it if it falls off. That's a nice touch. And I think the rest, let's check out some of the quick start guide. Nothing else in here. So we have product safety, quick start guide. Oh, nice. We've got stickers as well. That's pretty cool. We've got 2 stickers, colored and black and white. Explore perfection. What is this? Oh, that's very nice. That's where the Allen keys are. This is also actually also a sticker. It's pretty cool. Quick start guide. All the stuff like I mentioned. Nice. So that's all the paperwork. Leave that here. Stickers, but this is nice. I'll put this to the side because we'll need that for the install. I don't believe there's anything else in the box. No, doesn't look like it. It's just that. The rest is cardboard. So I'm just gonna put this back on and then we'll get started with installing it on my bike. Hey guys, I went ahead and updated the device. So hopefully no more of those bugs everyone was talking about. So I wanted to just quickly give you a rundown. I went in and updated the brightness of the screen. It's pretty cool. So this toggle is actually quite nice. So as you could see, regardless of how fast I spin it, it always just goes one click up or down, which is quite nice. And you can push it. So for example, if we go into the settings, now we can see here, you can go into the settings. So yeah, it's actually like a nice click, nice tactile click. You can see all the different pairing settings. So if we go into more settings, you can do calibrations, units, touchscreen. So it has touchscreen, which is super nice. Backlight level, so you can do like standard, it's like this. I assume the battery level is going to be even greater, or you can do max, which is lighter, language, all the different settings. But I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of what to expect. Really nice. The power button, you can also use it as a back button. You can go, so this is always the main screen, and then you have your different riding modes: road, indoor, gravel, mountain bike, e-bike, e-mountain bike, just standard navigation. So you can add routes, you can start your ride, and so on. It gives you like the time, date, everything. Pretty cool. So yeah, just wanted to give you a rundown. Really nice device, really nice experience also with the touch screen. I assume when you're on the bike, you're actually going to be using more like this knob here, which is nice, and the back button, but it's good to have both options, yeah, in case you want to use both. So let's go ahead and get it installed on the bike. So here we are. I had to find a creative way so you can see exactly what I'm doing. My tripod is just behind my bike, but I think this is going to work out. So let's get the mount. As we can see, so we'll need the provided Allen keys. Let's get this open. Nice box here. So we've got 2. So the bigger one is for the installation, and I believe so there is like you can fix it, you can fix the unit to the mount with a little screw. Actually, let's peel this off completely. So as you can see, this little screw down here, you can like permanently mount the unit to the mount. So yeah, you can adjust it with that screw or tighten it. So we'll need this Allen key. I'm actually gonna use, so remember I showed you when I was unboxing this that there is 2 rubber grommets. So I don't believe I'll need the thicker one, but I'll use the thinner one. So the nice thing is, you can see the mount has these ridges inside, so does the rubber, which is quite cool. So it should fit quite nice in there. Right, so that's gonna provide a nice, as you can see, it's gonna provide a nice seal. It's gonna fit nicely around your bars. It won't scratch anything, and it's gonna have a better clamp down. The rubber piece take your screw, drop it in here. Here's the bigger Allen key. Start tightening it. So everything is plastic. You don't need to over tighten, just until it's snug. The unit isn't too heavy, so there shouldn't be the need to really tighten it, but let's see. All right, until you start feeling a bit of resistance. I think that's about right. So let's test this. I might need to just adjust it so it's a bit higher, but as you can see, it clicks nicely. And that's how it looks. Let's turn it on. Seems quite good so far. I might need to actually just adjust it slightly. Maybe I'll push it a little bit to the left, but seems pretty good so far like this. So just minor adjustments we'll need to make. I'm not gonna actually tighten it with the little screw. I'll be taking it on and off, but yeah, so pretty easy install. Quite straightforward. This is pretty much it. Just the mount. It looks pretty good. It does look a bit bigger than I expected, or the unit itself is a bit bigger than I expected. It's almost to the front of my hoods. I'm sure you can't really see, but yeah, so my hoods are just about here. But that's quite nice. So I mean, the trend is, like, devices are getting bigger. That is the trend is going towards bigger devices, which is nice. I do like the shape. It looks pretty aero. That's nice. I like the big chunky font. I like the design of the UI. Looks pretty good. It's definitely like legible, with like big letters. Nice clean font, which is pretty cool. So yeah, easy install. Just the mount, clip it in. That's pretty much it, and you should be ready to go. I'm not gonna go into a very detailed, look into this, but I'll give my thoughts after one of my first rides. Just link one of my next rides up here if you're watching this and it's been a while and I've actually like taking it out. You'll be able to see some of my thoughts on my next video. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.